Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video, we're going to talk about different websites that allow you to make money fairly quickly. And some of these websites can potentially help you to replace your full-time income. If you're looking for additional and creative ways to make money online, make sure to watch this video till the end. So number one on our list is a website that I'm actually really excited about and that I'm testing right now, and that is Honeygain. If you're not familiar with Honeygain, it is a unique service that lets users earn passive income by sharing their unused internet bandwidth. The platform is designed to help businesses and researchers by providing access to the web from various locations around the world. Users can install the Honeygain app on their devices as they share their internet connection. The credits that you accumulate on Honeygain can be redeemed for things like cash via PayPal, or you can also get paid in Bitcoin, which is pretty cool. So I think this could be a great option for those of you who work outside of your home, because if you think about it, if you spend most of your day not using your internet, you might as well start sharing your internet with other people to earn additional income. Or if you're like me right now, and actually at the time of releasing this video, I'm actually traveling throughout Asia, so I'm not going to be home for over a month, which means that we're still going to be paying for Wi-Fi and nobody's going to be using it. So I am currently outsourcing this to Honeygain, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. But so far I've already started accumulating some points that I'm going to be redeeming for cash. So if you're interested in Honeygain, I will include the link down below. So next on our list is Test.io. So this one is perfect for those of you who consider themselves tech enthusiasts, because you can earn money by testing apps, websites, and other digital products for things like bugs and usability issues. As a tester, you are rewarded for each bug you find or for completing test cases, which makes this a pretty cool side hustle for people who love technology and have great attention to detail. So in terms of the income potential, this can really vary depending on how many bugs you find. It could be the case that you don't find any, or you don't find anything wrong with software. So if you're interested in Test.io, I will also include the link down below. Oh wow, I can't believe I almost forgot this.
If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button, because as you know, it really helps small YouTubers like myself here on this platform. And in general, if you like content about side hustles, personal finance, and passive income, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I do release a new video every week. Oh, and I also have an Instagram account.
Okay, that was my shameless plug. Let's get back to the video. So the next one on my list is actually one of my favorite platforms. I've both used it as a freelancer and as a client, and those are Upwork, and I'm also going to include Fiverr since they're similar in a lot of different ways. So pretty much Upwork and Fiverr are two of the leading online platforms for freelancers looking to offer their services to clients globally. And I do want to highlight the global part, because these platforms will allow you to gain clients from so many other places in the world other than just the country that you're currently living in. So Upwork caters to a wide range of professional services, from writing and graphic design to web development and consulting, allowing freelancers to bid on projects. And some of those projects can be like quick one-time thing. I actually started as a career coach on Upwork back in the day, and at the beginning I was only getting hired for like $100 gig or like $200 gig, but eventually you can also gain some really like long-term gigs. Some of them can be 6 months plus for like 30 plus hours per week, which is pretty much full-time. So it can really vary, but the income potential here is pretty great. I actually know a lot of people who just do Upwork and Fiverr full-time, especially if you live somewhere with like low cost of living and serving clients in like North America or very high cost of living places. That can actually be a really great way to make full-time income. Now Fiverr is slightly different. It operates on a gig-based system where as a freelancer you set up a package of services offered at a fixed price. So like I mentioned to you, I both freelance on these platforms, as well as I've hired multiple people from Fiverr for graphic design to help me with my Amazon FBA business, and as well as on Upwork is where I hired a lot of my video editors, a virtual assistant. I've hired writers for myself back in the day. So pretty much those are great platforms that connect freelancers and clients, and can be a really great way to exchange value globally. All right, so the next one on our list is one of my favorite, and this one is going to be a classic, and that is Rakuten. So Rakuten is probably one of the world's most well-known cashback platforms, and they partner with so many different retailers. So I love Rakuten. I've been using it for quite some time, and I've gotten payouts anywhere from like $6 to one time it was like $70 that I get paid from cashback. I know a lot of people are going to be like,
but you have to spend money to make money.
Okay, I'm not telling you to go and start making a lot of unnecessary purchases. I'm more so talking about things that you are going to buy anyway. So holiday season could be a great example when you know that you need to buy a lot of gifts for your friends and family. And if you tend to shop online, you can just check and see if the store or retailer that you had in mind is available on Rakuten. Then you could just go through the Rakuten link, make a purchase, and then Rakuten will capture that and apply the cash back to your account, which you can then redeem via PayPal. So you can go on the Rakuten website website, or you can also download the Chrome extension, which is really helpful, especially if you forget to check for a cashback opportunity. So Rakuten will literally just let you know, or you can also download it on your phone and also make purchases through there. Actually, what I did is a lot of the retailers that I usually shop with, such as like, I don't know, Sephora or like Nike and all of those, I just deleted the apps from my phone and I pretty much just go through Rakuten every time. So that's a great way to make money around the holidays when you have a lot of gifts, or if you're moving and need to buy a lot of like furniture and household things, like any big purchases, I would always make sure to check through Rakuten to see if you can make any cash back from buying things that you were going to buy anyway. All right, and then the last one on my list today is Prime Opinion, which I have covered a few times in my past videos. I do have one dedicated video that I've made doing an in-depth review of Prime Opinion. Pretty much Prime Opinion is a website that offers users the opportunity to earn rewards by participating in surveys and providing their opinion on various topics. It caters to market research by collecting consumer insights, which range anywhere from how you feel about a commercial, do you recognize a brand, all the way to like how you feel about a certain president or a political party. So they have a lot of different types of surveys. So you can earn points for completing surveys. Some people can make as much as $11 per day. And they also have a lot of like different bonuses every time you reach a new level. They have this whole gamified experience, which I do really like. And it's a great way to make extra cash in your spare time. So obviously surveys are not really get rich fast, probably not something that's going to replace your full-time income. However, this is a pretty cool way for you to make extra cash whenever you have free time. So let me know which one of these 5 websites was your favorite. Let me know which one you're curious about trying, or if you've tried one of them, in which case let me know your experience. And once again, if you like content about side hustles, making money online and finance, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do release a new video every Wednesday. Well, sometimes Thursday if I'm a little bit behind, but mostly Wednesday. Anyways, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!